Good morning students, welcome to today's session of online class. Today in our business study class, we are going to discuss the third topic, that is objective of management. We already saw what is management, three important terms related to management, that is process, effectiveness and efficiency. We also saw 7 characteristic features of management, and now we are going to discuss about objective of management. There are 3 main objectives of management, as you can see on the board. The first objective is organizational objective, second one social objective, and the third one is personal objective. Let us see these objectives in brief. The first objective is organizational objective. As you can see that I have 3 points related to organizational objective. When a new firm is established or set up, the first and the main objective of any organization is survival. They have to withstand in that competitive world. So in competitive situation, when a firm is established, what they think is about their survival. After survival, they think about making a profit. How can a firm make a profit? To make a profit, a company have to increase their sales and reduce their cost. By doing that, a company can easily bring about profit in the firm. Third point related to organizational objective is growth. Once they are well set, they have started earning good amount of profit, then every firm they think about growth. What does that actually means? Growth means, for example, we can say modernizing the organization, setting up new modernized machineries, then that is introducing some branches in different part of the we can say different part of the country or different part of the state or different part important corners. If the branches are open, that is also a point related to growth of the firm, or diversification of a company. So this all means growth of the company. So these are the 3 important points related to organizational objective. Every firm they have set up for achieving these objectives. Only if these objectives are achieved, they can fulfill their actual goal. Next is social objective. What is social objective? Beyond profit making, the organization they have to think good about the society. So giving something to the society comes under the social objective. What we are giving to the society. So every businessman they have to think that how good they are serving the society. They can serve the society by providing good quality product with a reasonable price. They can help the society by giving employment to the unemployed people. They can help the society by giving donations, through the means of charity, by building some hospitals, schools and orphanage and that way they can help the society. So these are some of the social objectives. The third objective of management is personal objective. We know that organization is made up of people. These people are coming from different background, having different experience, different personalities and different objectives. They all become a part of the organization to satisfy their diverse need. Here what the management have to do is they have to reconcile between the organizational objective and the personal objective, so that there will be harmony in the organization. See children, if there is conflicting nature between the organizational objectives and personal objectives, then there will be no smooth flow of the work. So every manager, they have to reconcile between the organizational goal and the personal goal of the organization. I hope you have understood today's class. So you have to read the textbook very carefully, underline the main point related to this concept, and write it down as a note making in your business study note making book. Be regular with your studies, my dear children, so that in future you will not have to worry about your studies. Okay, so see you in the next class. Till then, goodbye.